Right, we're 9 miles from my next stop, Drumbeg. Single traffic road, single file road. In much better condition than the one I was in this morning. I wouldn't say it was terrifying, but it wasn't that bloody far from it. You're able to use all of this road, even though it's just a single lane, single track. Well, apparently this is part of the NC500, which I didn't realise. Didn't pay that much attention enough. Look at those mountains. Wowzers. That one and that one. Blinking amazing. Another waterfall just in front of us there. Now, my main camera has got a low battery, which is disappointing. Because I don't think my other batteries are charged up yet. What happens when you run two cameras and you've only got 4 batteries between them. Let's see how far we get. I've got the red power icon, so it could go off at any minute. We'll just let it do its stuff, Not a passing plate in sight. Seven miles. This battery's not going to last. And as we get there, I bet you it opens up. So we've got some trees in the way that's killing the view. There we are. Look at that. What the heck is this? Somebody whipping there. Six and a half miles. Nice one, sir. See, that's the way it's supposed to work. We give and take. I was getting ready to stop, but he stopped first. The west coast, the northwest coast of Scotland is magnificent, you know that? It truly is. It really is a vast wilderness. I know people live here, but look at it, it's just mountain range after mountain range, rocks and heather. And mankind has cut a tar macadam road through this. There we go, we've got a 25%. Oh, this looks fantastic. Look at this, folks. Oh, we're going down and then we're coming back up there. Wowzers. Oh, this is steep. Please, camera, don't give up on me now. Just a little bit more. Bit of rain. And we've got a super to the right that goes up there. Ah, what a belly bonus this one is. It's raining now. Oh, yeah, bees are. And there's some idiot bringing a motorhome along this road. Kind of sums up the NC500, doesn't it? Let's pull over and let the donkey through. Pray nothing's coming around this bloody corner. Four miles. Those craggy islands. I have to keep my eyes on the road though. There we go, you see that? Well, we're certainly on top of some very tall hills. 3.5 miles. Come on, camera, you can do it. Got to say, the NT1100 feels very much at home on this road. Superb balance. Come on in. Woof. Just about off a tarmac there. Teach you to put your foot down, you donkey. Or I should have. As I was saying, the NT1100 is very much at home on this road. The terrific balance of the bike, the power when you need it, the comfort, and the riding dynamics all make for a terrific, compliant ride. Haven't once lost footing with traction control or any of that required. 2 miles, come on, we can do it. Come on. Whew. There's a blind summit. That's good, I've got a car in front of me. Yeah, we'll come down to sea level again. Oh, there's the battery. The battery's about to go. I'll switch it off.
And that was that from the Action 4 battery. However, the Action 3 on the handlebars was still recording, still had plenty of battery life left. That's what we're watching now, hence the voiceover. I had left the A894, which was heading down south, and we cut off along the B869, which is this road that we're on now. Pretty stunning. Thankfully I didn't get too many of these passing cars, and precious few motorhomes and caravans. Imagine what this is like in the summertime. It must be horrendous. Look at the views, are they to die for? Absolutely brilliant. I certainly picked the right time of the year. That whole trip, 2-3 days that I was away, absolutely brilliant. The weather was kind to me, the scenery stunning, the roads were quiet. Here we are coming into Drumbeg now. Once again another little car coming this way. They were few and far between, got to tell you. Look at that scenery. What an eye-popping view. Not too many structures within the village itself. Had a wee shop. I think we might have had a hotel, or it looked like a hotel, don't know what it was though. I stopped further up the road there, I thought it might have been a hotel on the right hand side, because it's got a car park on the left there. Might be a pub or something, I don't know. Anyway, it didn't look opened. And here we are, we're coming up to a viewpoint. I stop here and I stop for a cuppa. And this was quite busy with visitors coming and going. A couple of cracking Range Rovers, mind you. Alright, back to the video. Well, we're at Drumbeg viewpoint. We're out looking over the bay here. Well, it's not a bay, I don't know what it is, but anyway. All these islands, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The road in here was superb. Scottish water. As you can see, lovely and peaceful. It's quite busy. folk driving Range Rovers. Beautiful cars. I love the colour. And there's the bike. So, the good thing about this is I'm doing it as a big loop. And I'm not doubling back on myself. It's, I don't know what time it is. Back at 1 or something, half 1.